In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix error RG45 at chess.com. If you've encountered the RG45 error while trying to access or use chess.com, don't worry. In many cases, the fastest way to resolve this type of issue is by reaching out directly to the chess.com support team. They can review your connection details, investigate the problem, and provide specific guidance based on your situation. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to contact support and submit information about the RG45 error. To begin, open chess.com and navigate through the website until you locate the support option. This can typically be found in the lower section of the page. The support area is designed to help users troubleshoot issues, find answers to common questions, and connect with customer support when additional assistance is needed. Once you've found the support section, click on it to continue. This will open the Help Center, where you'll find several options related to account issues, technical problems, and general platform support. Next, look for the Get Started button and select it. This will guide you into the support system and help you begin the process of contacting the chess.com support team. From there, choose the Contact Support option to proceed. At this stage, the goal is to let the support team know that you're experiencing the RG45 error. The information you provide can help them better understand the issue and determine what might be causing it. In some situations, support may review details related to your connection in order to assist with troubleshooting and identify possible solutions. After opening the support conversation, select the option labeled Get More Help. Once you do that, wait for the support system to respond and provide the next set of prompts or instructions. When you're given the opportunity to enter a message, clearly explain that you're experiencing the RG45 issue. Be concise and direct so the support team can quickly understand the problem you're reporting. After submitting your message, wait for a response from the support system. From there, simply follow the on-screen instructions provided. The support process may guide you through additional steps or request further information to help resolve the issue. Carefully review any responses you receive and complete the requested actions as directed. And that's all there is to it. Contacting chess.com support is one of the most effective ways to address the RG45 error and receive assistance tailored to your specific situation. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.